Hi students, now let's see an example on membership operators. So we have two membership operators, one is the in and second one is the not in. Here in is a keyword, not is a keyword. Okay. So regarding this membership operators in the list, we'll see more examples. See, here list is nothing but a collection of values here enclosed within the square brackets. Within the square brackets are the four values. So I would like to check whether the value 10 is inside this list or not. So I'm writing here 10 in list 1. If that value is available, then what it does, it returns the true. Okay, otherwise false. And not in is opposite to the in. So if this value is not available, 50, then it returns the true. Otherwise, it returns the false. Okay, so very simple. Just you check it here. See, 50 in the list, 50 is not in the list, that's why it's printing false. 50 is not in the list, yes, that's why it's printing true here. Okay, so this is membership operators.